but one of the questions we get is, hey, my chain fell off, what do I do? It's common, the chain falls off all the time during the course of, the lifetime of the bike, when you're riding, whatever, you hit a bump. It's a good skill to have, and it's really not that difficult. The easiest way I do it is I give the chain a little bit of slack, just like that, and then I just kind of guiding the chain onto the chain ring, starting from the bottom, and then just work to the top. I'm still giving that chain a little bit of slack, and once I get to the top, I just release it like that. Now, the reason why I don't start from the top is because if you're trying to get the slack and you pull the wheel, you're driving the wheel like that, right? So you don't want to be spinning the wheel because your finger can get caught in there. So always work from the bottom, so that way you're not driving the chain and driving the wheel. And then you just gently release that, and that puts the slack, or takes the slack back out of the chain. If you ever find your chain with 2 or 4 different loops in there, call us. We can help you guide you through that. It's a little bit challenging, so we will ask you for some images, and then based off of the images that are related to your specific chain and how it looks, we will guide you through that. It's not impossible, but we don't want you to spend a lot of time trying to figure out how to untangle that chain.